Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lake Providence local and long-distance movers. Near me. We at 3 Movers have a good working relationship with local federal association. So, we have the necessary permits and licenses to complete a long-distance shift. Keeping your properties safe is our first priority, so our movers use essential tools to handle your belongings that help prevent any wear and tear. In case of any damage, the cost of damage will be borne by us only, and we do not charge any extra amount for the same. Although while moving locally, we do not require any professional help, and we can easily shift their properties. But in fact, be it local or long distance, the shifting process is still the same and requires efforts to complete the shift. Therefore, it's always better to hire a professional moving firm, 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Providence moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.